accountants in my showbiz career. So yeah, but you really have to imagine that, as horrible as that is now, as wrong as that is now. I mean, I was fat. I cannot impress this upon you. I was the 10th planet of the solar system. It was just ridiculous, just horrible. My family had this horrible relationship with food. We ate so fast, we didn't even know what we were doing. I don't remember a meal in my house ever going more than 3 minutes. I really don't. We did not have chairs at the dining room table. Why waste the time? By the time I went from here to here, the meal was gone. It was gone. So I'm just talking fat. And my mother would always take me shopping for clothes in the Husky department, and that's so debilitating. And she would always buy me corduroy pants. Wide whale corduroy pants. And god damn it, why does the word wide and whale have to be in my fucking fat clothes, all right, for God's sake? And do you know the sound that corduroy makes when it's wrapped around fat thighs and you start walking down the street? You know what that sound is good for? Only one thing. It warns the neighborhood tough kids to start warming up for the beating that's coming up. Because they know I can't get away. And it's not that I couldn't run fast. I was kind of fast. But you can't run in corduroy pants. You build up a friction. I'd burst into flames. So, just horrible. I've been battling with weight all my life. And you know what? It's a horrible battle. It's a horrible battle because we only have 2 weapons to work with. And they both are terrible. What do we have? Diet and exercise. That's it. That's all we've got. Diet